Our third scene, one person died and 48 others were injured in the explosion. A suspected underground gas explosion ripped open roads and flipped vehicles in the heart of South Africa's biggest city, killing one man and injuring at least 48 people, authorities and emergency services said on Thursday. The cause of the blast, which happened during Wednesday's evening rush hour in downtown Johannesburg, remained unclear.
Oh, ziyawela manje singena phakathi.
The company that supplies gas to that part of the city said it did not believe its underground pipelines were responsible, as authorities first thought. The body of the deceased was